In this video, I'll explain to you the difference between CMYK and Pantone colors and how these two color matching systems affect the printing of your cigar bands and the rest of your packaging, and we're starting right now. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Humberto Arias, Creative Director here at Cigar Package Design, where our mission is to help people build amazing cigar brands. And today's video is all about colors. You might be asking yourself, what are CMYK colors? What is this PMS Pantone color? Come on, let's jump into the video and find out. So what are CMYK colors? Well, these are very similar to the ink cartridges you have in your home printer right now. CMYK refers to cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And these would be the same 4 plates a commercial printer would use in order to effectively reproduce color images and photographs. Now, there are some factors that could affect CMYK printing, and although they are very reliable, from time to time, I mean, you get those funky printouts at home, right? Where, you know, maybe one of your ink cartridges is already running low, or maybe one of the print heads is clogged or dirty. The same thing can happen at a commercial level. So make sure your printer is doing the correct maintenance on a monthly basis to their machines so that you can get accurate colors from CMYK printing. So in what situation are CMYK colors okay to use? Well, I would say anytime you are looking to reproduce a photograph or a painting would be a perfect scenario where you can implement these 4 colors to come together and form that image. Here's an example of an image that depicts Christopher Columbus in 1492 landing in the New World. This is a perfect example of a CMYK image that was used in A.J. Fernandez's New World cigar packaging. Not only did it serve the perfect background and focal point for both the cigar bands and the cigar box lids, but it made a great statement, quality printing. Here is CMYK colors coming together to form a great looking packaging. Hey guys, I hope you're getting value out of this video. And if you are, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content just like this one. And if you have any questions about CMYK colors, Pantone colors, or printers that specialize in cigar packaging, let me know in the comments below and I promise to answer every question. So what is the Pantone color model? Well, this model is part of a universal color language, and this lets both brands and manufacturers select a specific Pantone color no matter where they are in the world. And although there are several of these guides, today we'll be focusing on the Pantone Solid Coated guide, which is the most commonly used. Here you will find a wide range of PMS colors. They all have a unique reference number, which makes it easy for us to identify. Now, potentially you can have printers in multiple locations around the world and still accurately reproduce that specific Pantone color you are looking for. So when is it appropriate to use a Pantone color? Well, I would say anytime you are looking to reproduce a vibrant color. In our last video, we featured Asan Cigar's sampler pack, and this project called for a specific PMS color, 021 orange. This is a very vibrant color, and as you can see in the graphic, CMYK colors would not be able to reproduce this accurately. It would fall very short actually. So this would be an ideal time of when to use a specific Pantone color. I'll put a link up in the description above so you can check out the video and the rest of the samplers that use both CMYK and PMS colors. So whether you're using multiple printers or not, I recommend you invest in one of these Pantone color guides. I'll put a link down in the description below so you guys can check it out. It will make your life easier next time you jump on the phone with your designer or your printer to talk about colors. Not to mention, you guys are never in the same room. Make your life easier. You'll be avoiding color mistakes on your next printing job, on your next packaging job, on your next cigar band project. All right, guys, time for the question of the day. With cigar packaging being so competitive and cigar brands always fighting for your attention, what was the last cigar sampler pack you grabbed? Was it a punchy, vibrant color, or was it a photograph or a drawing of some sort? You know, you might be drawn to specific PMS colors or CMYK printing without you even realizing it. Let me know in the comments below. It'd be very interesting to see if you gravitate towards vibrant, punchy colors or CMYK colors. And if you guys got value out of this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content just like this one. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.